All right, we're looking at normal distribution versus standard normal distribution. This is section 5.1b. All right, first thing we have here is determine whether this graph can represent a normal curve. Okay, this one looks good. It's nice and symmetric, and it does not go past the axis here, so I think we're good here. It can represent a normal density function, so answer is B. Number 2 here. Okay, we're not looking too good on this one because we got this tail over here to the right. So this is skewed to the right, which means, well, I think it's just not symmetric. It's not symmetric, so A, it's skewed to the right. Okay, number 3 here. All right, we're going to find the area of the indicated region under the standard normal curve. So we see all this is shaded over here. All right, negative 1.30. That's my value for my z-score. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look that up on the table. Let me find my table here. I thought I had it just right there. Okay, so negative 1, it's on the negative one. So negative 1.30. So negative 1.30 is 0.0968. 0.0968. All right, now that's to the left. So this value that I looked up on this chart, see, that's values to the left. This is to the right. So since it's to the right, I got to do 1 minus that. And so 1 minus that would be 0.9032. There you go. And so here it is, A. And you can see the answer right there. Okay. Find the area between these two z-scores. All right, so we got this z-score, we got this one. All right, now what I do is I look both of those up and I subtract them since I'm looking between those. So looking up this negative 0.45 first. Our negative 0.4 is right here. And then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right there. 0.3264. 0.3264. Okay, that's what this one is. All right, now what's 2.11? All right, let's see here. We gotta get the positive one. So 2.11 is right there, 0.9826. 0.9826. The chart I have goes 5 decimals, where this just does 4. So now, once I have those two, I subtract them. So 0.9826 subtract 0.3264. All right, when I subtract there, I get a 2, a 6, a 5, and a 6. So 6562, which is right there, A. And you can see the answer right there. We're in good shape. Okay, now number 5 here says, find the area under the standard normal curve to the left of this. So that's what this chart does. So I just looked this up and I'm finished. 1.25. So here's 1.2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. 0.8944. 8944, which is right here, C. Okay. Number 6. Find the area under the standard normal curve to the right of this. All right, to the right means I'm going to have to look this up, and then I'll have to do 1 minus that, because here you go. So here's my curve, okay? Here's 1 right here. And to the right, this is what I'm wanting. Well, the chart shows me this. So I have to find out what this is, and then do 1 minus that. So I look up z equals 1. And so here's the positive, and 1 is right there, 0.8413. 0.8413, so I subtract that, that's going to be 0.1587. 0.1587, right here, C. And there you can see my answer right there. Okay. All right, number 7. 7 says find the area under the standard normal curve to the right of this. All right, to the right again. So let me just draw this out again. Here's right here, negative 1.25, and to the right is all this. So that's what I want. But the curve, the chart tells me this. So I'm going to have to find this and then do 1 minus that. All right, so I need to find negative 1.25. So here's the negative sheet. Negative 1.2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1.25 is right there. Okay, 0.1057. So now do 1 minus that. So when I do that, I'm going to have 0.8943 and 8944. Okay. It's a little off, I guess, because of the rounding. All right, number 8. Find the area under the standard normal curve between z equals 1 and z equals 2. All right, so here you go. This is 0 right here. Here's 1, and here's 2. So I want this area right here. This is z equals 1, z equals 2. So the way I do this is look up z equals 1, and that'll be all this area. Then look up z equals 2, and that'll be all this area, and I subtract them, and that gives me what's in between them. So z equals 1, okay, z equals 1 is right there, 8413. 0.8143. Now, z equals 2. 2 is right there, 0.9773. 0.9773. Now subtract those. 0.9773, 0.8413. So when I subtract those, 3 minus 3, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 4, 9 minus 8. So I get 1360, which 1359 is the closest to it. And I think because my chart goes 5 decimals, it's making it to be off just a hair. Number 9. Find the area under the standard normal curve between z equals negative 1.5 and z equals 2.5. So again, I look this one up, I look that one up, and I subtract them. Okay, so I got the 2.5 right here. 2.5 right there. 2.5, 0.9938. 0.9938. There's the 2.5. Now the negative 1.5 is right there, 0.0668. 0.0668. All right, now to be between those, I subtract them. So 0.9938 subtract 0.0668. It's going to be 0, 7, 9 be 8, 52, and then 9. 9270, which is right here. There we go. Let me see we got that right. Oh, I'm sorry, didn't have it on the screen. So I subtract these, I find these right here, and to be between them, I subtract them, and I got 9270, so the answer is D. All right, number 10. Find the area under the standard normal curve between z equals 1.5 and z equals 2.5. Okay, so okay. All right, here's my positive one. I'm looking for it. So I'm going to look up 1.5. 1.5 is 9332. 0.9332. Now look up 2.5. All right, here's 2.5. 0.9938. 9938. See right here, look at it again. 2.5. 0.9938. 0.9938. And now subtract them. So 0.9938 minus 0.9332. 6060. 0606. Right there, C. So we got that right. Find the sum of the areas under the standard normal curve to the left of this and to the right of that. Okay? All right, so here's what we got going on then. All right, right here, negative 1.25, and right here, positive 1.25. So I want this area and this area together. Okay. Well, I just look up negative 1.25 right there. Negative 1.2 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right there. 1.057. There's that one. All right, now this one here, since I'm to the right of it, I look up this, and I got to subtract it from 1 because, you know, the score on the chart is to the left of that. So I can look up 1.25. Okay, 1.2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right there. 89435. 89435. All right, I got to do 1 minus that. Okay, because I went to the right of this, so do 1 minus that, which is going to be 0.1057 again. Okay, so that's what this one is. There's what that one is, so I add these two together. So 1.057, 1.057, add them together. 7 plus 7 is 14, 1, 10, 11, 1. Oh, I'm sorry. I put my point in the wrong place. There you go. 0.2114 is what I get, which the answer says 22112. I'm off a little bit. Like I said, I'm using this chart with 5 digits instead of 4 digits. So maybe I should use this one here that has 4 digits. Okay. All right, this one has a chart for us. So number 12. Find the probability of Z occurring in the indicated region. So Z, it looks like all this is shaded right here. So it's below, this is 1.82. So 1.82, all right, I want to the left of it, which is what the chart is. So I just look up 1.82, and that's my answer. So here's the positives. 1.8. 0, 1, 2 is right there. See, this is 2 coming down this way. So 0.9656. And you can see my answer right there. 0.9656. That is right. Okay, number 13, we got another one. And looks like this is shaded right here, so we want to the left of that. So I just looked this up. That's what the table is to the left of it. So negative 0.59. So negative 0.5 is right there. And then I go to 9, which is going to be right here. Oh, I'm sorry. This is backwards, so you got to pay attention. Here's 9 right there. So it's right here. 0.2776. Okay, so 0.2776 is right. Okay, and here's another one. All right, now this is what's shaded over here, to the right of that, 1.75 to the right. All right, so I got to look this up, and the table will tell me to the left of it. Since I went to the right, I've got to do 1 minus whatever I get. So 1.75, here's 1.7, and then 5 is right here. So if I come down, 1.7 right here, 9599. All right, so I got 0.9599. All right, I got to do 1 minus that because I don't want to the left, I want to the right. The table goes to the left. So I do 1 minus that, which is going to be 0.0401. And there you go, we got it. Okay. All these are similar questions. Number 15. Find the probability of Z occurring in the indicated region. All right, see, I got -2 here, and it looks like it's everything shaded on this side of it. So again, that's to the right of it. So I'm going to have to do -2, figure out what that is. Then I got to do 1 minus it because, see, this -2, if I look it up, it's going to go to the left. I want what's to the right. So look up -2, And here's negative 2 right there, 0.183, 0.0183 right here. 0.0183. Nope, sorry, this goes backwards. I need to be way over here. So this comes over here, there it is right there. 0.0228. 0.0228. Now, that goes to the left of that. I went to the right of it, so I can do 1 minus that, which is going to be 0.9772. 0.9772. I don't see that answer on here. .0228. Oh yeah, here it is. Should be D 022. I'm sorry, no. 9772. I gotta do 1 minus this. This is what I looked up. So it should be 1 minus that, and I'm not seeing that answer on here. 9772. This is the closest one, 9759. Let me make sure I look this up right. Okay. This is negative 2. So negative 2 right here, and I got to go to the 0 here, negative 2, that's 0.0228. And then if I do 1 minus that, 1 minus 0.228, I get 9772. Okay, I don't know why we don't have that answer on here. Let me see what the answer says it is. It's supposed to be 9759. So I don't know why that's not right. But what we have is right. It's supposed to be this. I'll look at that and see what's going on a bit later. All right, here we go. We want in between these two right here. I've got 0 and I got 1.50. So I look both of those up and subtract them. Since it's between them, I got to subtract the two numbers. All right, so 0, I know 0 is 0.5. Now 1.5, all right, let's look up 1.50 is right here, 9332. Okay, 1.5, and it is a 0 up there. So 9332. So I minus these, so I'll just do this. And that's what I get, 0.4332, looks like D. And yeah, man, we got it, D. Okay, good. Number 17. Use a standard normal distribution to find the probability that Z is between these two. So I'm going to look up 0, I'm going to look up negative 2.25, and I'm going to subtract them. Because it's got to be between those two. So since it's between them, I subtract them. Find them and subtract them. Well, 0, I know 0.5. Now, negative 2.25, negative 2.2 is right there. And 5 is right here. So if I come down here, that's going to be right there. 0.122. Okay, so there's my two probabilities for these. So now subtract them. So 0.5 minus 0.0122. All right, so it's going to be 8, 7, 8, and then 4. Okay. 4, 8, 7, 8. And look here, we got it. Okay. Number 16 here says find the normal distribution to find the probability between these two. So again, I look these two up and I subtract the z-scores. These are the z-scores. I subtract the percents. So negative 2.25. All right, negative 2.2. And here's 5. Is right there, 0.122. Now look up 1.25. 1.25, all right, that's on the positive side. 1.2, and 5 is right there. 8944. So I subtract them because it's between these two, so I subtract those. So a minus 0.0122. So that's going to be 2, 2, 8, 8. There you go, 8822, which looks like C. And that's right, there's my answer. Okay. All right, I think we got one left. Last one. All right, use the standard normal distribution to find the probability between these two values of z-scores. Okay, so I look up negative 2.5, look up 1.5, and subtract them. So negative 2.5, negative 2.5, 0, so here's my 0. Negative 2.50 is 0062. Okay, now look up 1.50. All right, it's on the positive one. And 1.50 is right here, 0.9332. And now subtract them. So I'm going to just go put minus 0.0062 over here. I got 9270. It looks like C, which that's right. It's in good shape. All right, so that's normal distribution, standard normal distribution 5.1b. If you need help with this, let me know, okay? I'll help you anytime. Have a good rest of the day.